So, welcome everybody to Australian Hypnosis Conference. Today I'm here with Fabian Wesselink. He is our major sponsor this year for HypnoBreathwork. So, Fabian, tell us what you're talking about because I have heard about the breathwork. I admit I've never done it
Awesome.
and I cannot wait to experience it. So, tell us more.
Awesome. Yeah, that's with most people, right? Breathwork. Some people call it a trend. It's a big thing, right? In a wellness industry, which is like I read the other day, $15 billion business or so. It's the number
Whew,
one modality for 4 years in a row. Breathwork has been the number one modality. Some people have never
nice.
experienced it, so I want to talk about the benefits, about how we can utilize the breath in combination with hypnosis to create breakthroughs fast, and that's what it is. So with hypno, it's a lot of bit about the top bottom approach, lots of the with the
Hmm.
mind. But with hypno breathwork, we work with the body simultaneously. So we get people into the body, and then we guide them through the hypnosis, and that is really really awesome, really profound.
Well, breath is the key to life, isn't it? Like, you know that if you go for a run and you don't breathe properly, it's not going to be good.
Yeah, that's what I said too, like how long can we go with food? How long can we go without water? How long can we go without our breath? It's the first thing that we do when we arrive to this planet. Also, the last thing we do, we take around
Yes.
24,000 breaths per day. So there's a lot into it, yes.
Whoa. And that's all fully automatic as well.
Yeah, well, and that's the beauty, right? So it is an automatic response. Our subconscious mind, organizes this for us. It does it for us. But the cool thing with breathwork is actually taking control, and then we become the driver and said, you know what? Now I'm going to breathe the body, and then we can get into all these different kind of states. More energy, more
Mhm.
clarity, releasing emotions, and all that good stuff. So.
And like now that I'm thinking of about it, like you see like athletes doing it at the start line, like
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know
yeah.
that they're
Yeah, they do it for a
doing.
reason. So they do
Yeah.
it. They do that for a reason. So, breathwork is very broad. I also, a part of my course is also the functional breathing. So it's estimated that 95% of the people are literally dysfunctional breathers, which keeps them stuck in their head. And if you
Wow.
learn how to breathe properly, so you will get rid of all sorts of symptoms, and you become calmer, and you become more focused, and you actually your muscles will work better because of the carbon dioxide. And I don't want to go super deep into, I
Yeah.
can talk for ages, but yeah, it is a really important component. The whole functional breathing is like the biohacking, to fix yourself from the get-go. And then obviously what we do with our breathwork journeys is helping people to release
And
trauma.
that's something we naturally do. Like I said, I'm just thinking out loud. I think I'm getting a few sparks happening here, Fabian. That's something we do when somebody is like out of sync as such. The first thing we do is like breathe, just breathe.
Yeah.
That's like our automatic go-to, like to help someone.
Yeah, and so it's actually every hypnosis script, or most hypnosis script. Where does it start? Just take a nice deep breath. That's actually wrong because a
Light bulb.
deep breath is not a way to calm down the nervous system. But I will unpack a
Ah,
little bit more. But yeah, that is so true, right? So mind yourself when you are angry, how you breathe. Like mind yourself
yeah.
when you are anxious, how you're breathing. And so the breath is the remote control to the central nervous system.
Oh, wonderful. So are you open to having a little bit of an imaginative experience with me here today?
For sure.
Okay, so let's just imagine that you have developed the ability to breathe underwater and you have dived down into the depths, and there are a heap of mermaids around you wanting to learn more about breathing underwater. What's your next step in helping them?
Oh, that's a good question. So I'm diving on the water. I've learned how to breathe, and I'm speaking with well, I would probably say, hey, it's awesome here in on under the sea, right? Would you like to learn how to breathe on land?
Oh, that's a good one. How would you like to breathe on land?
Yeah, that's what I would
Yeah,
probably do.
yeah, that's really cool. I like that. Good stuff. So, thank you everybody for being here today. Reach out to Fabian. The link to his website is in the description, but better yet, actually meet him in person at Australian Hypnosis Conference. He
Guys, you
was,
should come. It's like it's not me, but there's so many cool people there, like Trish and other people that have great introductions into hypno, into mindset, into mindfulness. Last time we had shamanic, what is it? Shamanic
yeah,
experiences,
with
and we
Zelita.
were the psychology of money. I remember awesome, like what kind of colors you use on your website. It's literally super duper epic, epic people, awesome food. So
We
yeah,
loved
no
your
reason not to go.
photo from last year as
Yeah,
well
yeah.
with the Blues Brothers.
Oh yeah, that was so epic, so awesome.
Iconic. Loved
And
it.
a
Loved it.
hypnosis show, everything is involved. So yeah, definitely. If you are in this field and you want to have fun with cool people, you should join for sure.
Yeah, join on in us. So we'll see everybody next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.